Hello, Adesi and Pardesi friends. I'm Shweta
I'm Naveen.
and welcome to A Desi Abroad. Today I'm going to show you how to make 4 delicious rice dishes. These are my go-to recipes when I want to cook something nutritious, filling, and at the same time tasty for my lunch at work. And it takes me just 10 minutes to make one of these dishes. But before I show you how to prepare these, I would like to ask you to please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. So without further delay, let's get started. The first dish that I'm going to show you how to make is lemon rice. So let's quickly take a look at the ingredients. To make this dish, we need half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, salt to taste, a pinch of hing or asafoetida, half a teaspoon of grated ginger, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 15 to 20 peanuts, 5 to 6 curry leaves, juice of 1 lime and 1 green chilli chopped. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of grated ginger and a pinch of hing. Mix all these ingredients well. Add 1 teaspoon of chana dal and saute till golden brown. Add 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Add in the peanuts and saute till the peanuts are toasted well. Add in 1 chopped green chilli and about 6 to 7 curry leaves and saute well. Now add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and make sure that you mix the turmeric powder well with all the other ingredients. Now to this mixture, add 1 bowl of boiled rice and mix well along with all the ingredients. Make sure that all these ingredients are incorporated well with the rice. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lime and add in salt to taste. And now our lemon rice is ready to be enjoyed. This is a dish that is quick to make and delicious to eat. The next dish that I'm going to show you how to make is Kaju Rice. So let's quickly look at the ingredients. To make this dish, we need half a small onion, 1 green chilli slit, coriander leaves, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, salt to taste and 20 to 25 cashews which have been split. To a pan, add 1 large tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and the chopped onion. Saute till the onions turn translucent. Add the split cashews and green chilies and continue to saute for a minute. Add salt to taste and mix well. Now add a bowl of boiled rice and make sure all the ingredients are mixed well with the rice. Add chopped coriander and give it a quick stir. And there we have our yummy Kaju rice, which was quick to make, and I'm sure you're going to love the taste when you cook this dish. The next dish is my personal favorite, yogurt rice. This is the dish that I can eat for any meal, be it breakfast, lunch or dinner. It is a dish that is very light on the stomach and quick to make in less than 5 minutes. So let's see the ingredients that are required to make it. To make this dish, we require 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of grated ginger, 10 to 12 peanuts, 1 chopped green chili and 5 to 6 curry leaves. To a bowl, add boiled rice. You can use freshly boiled rice or leftover rice as well. To this, add 2 large tablespoons of yogurt. Add in salt to taste. Do not add too much salt at this stage. If you feel that the salt is less, you can always add it later. Mix well. Add in a little water if you feel that the consistency is too thick. For the tempering, in a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and saute well. Add in 1 teaspoon of chana dal, and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Continue to saute till it turns golden brown. Add half a teaspoon of grated ginger and mix well. To this, add a few peanuts. The peanuts add a crunch to this dish. Once the peanuts have roasted well, add 1 chopped green chili and 5 to 6 curry leaves. Mix well and switch off the flame. Add this tempering to the yogurt rice and mix well. And now our yogurt rice is ready. There are different variations of making this dish. You can even mash the rice, add in veggies or fruits. Try out different variations and see which one you love the best. The next dish that we are going to make is Jera rice. This is quite a versatile dish and goes with a large variety of curries, be it vegetarian or non-vegetarian. So let's see the ingredients that we need to make this dish. To make this, we need 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 to 6 curry leaves, 1 small onion chopped, and 1 green chili slit. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute till the seeds splutter. Add in the onions and green chilies and saute till the onions turn translucent. To this, add salt to taste. Continue to saute for a minute. Add in 5 to 6 curry leaves. Add the boiled rice and saute on low heat for about 2 minutes. This gives the rice its unique flavor. Our yummy Jeera rice is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve hot with any vegetarian curry or non-vegetarian curry. Try out all these 4 recipes and let us know which one you love the best. Or leave your feedback in the comments section below. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to our channel, Click on the bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. See you soon in our next video with another mouth-watering recipe.